How to enable auto and sustained sprint in Wuthering Waves. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we'll be learning how to enable auto sprint and sustain in Wuthering Waves without confusion. First of all, launch open the Wuthering Waves game and wait until you are inside the main gameplay screen. Once you're inside this kind of a screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the circle, which will open up this terminal section. From your terminal page, click on the settings icon at the bottom right corner, and once you're inside the menu, go ahead and tap on this third option on the left and then scroll down from the menu. You'll see options such as sustained sprint and then the auto sprint. Go ahead and enable both of these buttons and turn it on. When the sustained sprint is enabled, the resonator will start sprinting. They will sustain the sprinting state until they are interrupted by the other action. When the auto sprint is enabled, the resonator or your character will speed up and start sprinting if they keep running for a while. So after you turn these buttons on, you can now head back to your gameplay screen and go ahead and start playing. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.